Hey, welcome back to Login Joins. If you are having any problem with fixing your system UI, then at the end of this video, you will learn how to fix them. For that, open your settings and go to apps. In here, you have to clear the cache for Google Play services. You will click storage here and to clear cache. Now after this, we will go to our system UI. Once you have found this system UI option, you will press this and here again go to storage and clear cache here as well. Now that all your cache are cleared, your system UI must be working well, and even if it does not work well for you, then you can comment down below and we will get back to you soon. Thank you for watching.